Hi, welcome to In and Around Computer. In this video, we are going to see what is machine learning and the types of machine learning. We are surrounded by humans who can learn from their past experiences, and also we have computers that does the work according to our instructions. And but how a machine can learn from the past data? So yes, the machines also can learn from the past data with the help of this machine learning. So we can see what is a machine learning. It is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on the creation of algorithms that enable a computer to or machine to independently learn from data and previous experiences. And now we can see what and all can be done by this machine learning. That is, without being explicitly programmed, the machine learning enables a machine to automatically learn from data, improve performance from experiences, and predict things. And these algorithms, that is, machine learning algorithms, creates a mathematical model that, without being explicitly programmed, aids in making predictions or decisions with the assistance of sample historical data or training data, we can say. So for the purpose of developing predictive models, this machine learning brings together statistics and computer science together, and the performance will rise in proportion to the quantity of information we provide. So more the quantity of information we give, the performance of this that is this model along with the algorithm, the performance will improve. And now we can see how does this machine learning works. We already said we have models, algorithms. So what is the sequence of this machine learning? We can see in detail. That is, the machine learning system builds prediction models, learn from the previous data, and predicts the output of new data whenever it receives it. So if we can say like this: if we have a complex problem in which we need to make predictions, instead of writing code, we just need to feed the data to generic algorithms which build the logic based on the data and predict the output. So this is the operation of this machine learning algorithms operation, where the algorithm is fed with the input past data, which we can say that is the training phase. So this in this phase, the algorithm learns from the data, we can say. So according to that, it builds the logical models, and the output data is predicted. That is, we can the output is given based on the data, and the new output is predicted, we can say. So this is about the machine learning algorithms operation. And we can go for the need for machine learning. Why we need this machine learning? Nowadays we see rapid increment in the production of data in various fields, and solving complex problems which are difficult for a human. So dealing with data, this decision making in various sectors including finance, and also to find hidden patterns and in extracting useful information from data, this machine learning is needed. And now we can see the types or classification of machine learning: supervised learning and unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. And now we can see the what is a supervised learning. This in supervised learning, sample labeled data are provided to the machine learning system for training, and the system then predicts the output based on the training data. That is, labeled data is provided for the machine to train, and based on the training, the for a test data, the output is predicted. So in supervised learning uses a labeled data to build a model, and after the training and processing are done, we test the model with a sample data to see if it can accurately predict the output. And mapping of the input data to the output data is the objective of this supervised learning. And this can be grouped into two further categories of algorithms: classification and regression. And the examples are object recognition and spam detection. So here's for the training, we can this sample labeled data set is given for training, and the system uses the labeled data to build a model, so that if this fruit comes, it will be an apple. So based on that, for the test data, the model predicts the accurate output. So this is what the supervised learning means. And what is unsupervised learning? This is a learning method in which the machine learns without any supervision. That is, the training is provided to the machine with a set of data that has not been labeled. In the previous case, in supervised learning, we gave a set of training data which is labeled or categorized. But here it is not the case, and the algorithm needs to act on the data without any supervision. The goal of this is to restructure the input data into new features or a group of objects with similar patterns. And the machine tries to find useful insights from the huge amount of data. So it can be further classified into two categories of algorithms: clustering and association. So here this example is given as an unlabeled huge amount of unlabeled set of data, where the model will cluster. So such kind of animals is grouped under this category, and another set of animals can be grouped under this category. So just it cluster, or it groups the set of objects. So this is what unsupervised learning does. And reinforcement learning next. This is a feedback-based algorithm in which the learning agent gets a reward for each right action and gets a penalty for each wrong action. So this we can say it's a trial and error method, and after each action the algorithm receives a feedback that helps it determine whether the choice it made was right, neutral, or incorrect. So the agent learns automatically with these feedbacks and improves its performance. The goal of the agent is to get the most reward points, and hence it improves its performance. So a robotic dog which automatically learns the movement of his arms, and which is an example, which can be an example of reinforcement learning. So subscribe to my channel if you feel contented.